everyone, today I'll be going over this Chegg problem where we need to create an abstract class and some other classes that are outlined here. Before I get started, I'll give a quick explanation of what an abstract class is. An abstract class in Java is a class that is declared with the abstract keyword. It serves as a blueprint for other classes and cannot be instantiated directly. Abstract classes are designed to be extended by subclasses, and they often include abstract methods that must be implemented by the subclasses. Alright, now let's dive into the problem. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is create an abstract class named course. So we can go ahead and right click here and create a new Java class called course. And this class is going to be abstract, so we can add the abstract keyword here. And this abstract class will have certain attributes by the name of course ID, title, enrollment limit, course tuition, and faculty according to the specifications laid out. This variable right here, this type faculty, will be errored out, but we'll go ahead and create that later, so no need to worry about that. So after that, we're going to head and create an abstract method called calculateRevenue. And calculateRevenue can be left unimplemented here because this is the abstract class. Any implementation is left to subclasses that extend this course class. So now we're going to go ahead and create the getters and setters for all of our attributes. Here we go. So we just create a getter and a setter for each of our attributes here. Course ID, get course ID, set course ID, and so on. And again, we're going to go ahead and create this faculty class now, actually. So we can go ahead and create a new class, call it faculty. And according to the document, we're going to need two attributes, a faculty name and a faculty ID. And we can go ahead and create a constructor for this class, which will basically, we pass in faculty name and faculty ID, and I'll go ahead and set it to these private variables right here. Now we can go ahead and create the programming course class. Right click, create new Java class, programming course. This class will go ahead and extend the course abstract class. So we type in the extends keyword in course. This will be underlined red because we have to implement the abstract method we created in the course abstract class, since this is a subclass. So, but before that, we're going ahead and add the private string programming language attribute that is required for this class. Private string programming language. And then we can go ahead and create a constructor for this class. This will go ahead and set all the attributes of the course abstract class along with its own attributes for the programming language variable. Next, we are going to create the getter for the programming language attribute. And finally, we can implement the abstract method calculateRevenue. So we're going to replace this return 0 with the actual calculation, which is get enrollment limit times the course tuition, and that should be it for the programming course subclass. Finally, we can move on to creating the last class we need, which will be the use course class. This class will need a global array list that can store course objects. So in order to achieve that, we'll go ahead and create a static array list of type course. We can call this courses, and we can go ahead and instantiate this. Now that we have that set up, we can go ahead and create the main method and create our faculty objects. So here we have two faculty objects, faculty 1 and faculty 2, where faculty 1 is John Doe and faculty 2 is Aaron. And then we go ahead and create our programming course objects. Course 1, course 2 with the respective parameters and arguments passed. And finally, we can go ahead and add these programming course objects to the courses array list. So we have course 1 and we have course 2. Alright, so now for the last step, which is displaying the revenue generated by each course, we can go ahead and loop over the courses array list and send us message to the output console. So here we go. So we have a for loop that iterates through the courses array list and prints out the course title and the total revenue for that specific course. We can go ahead and run this. So we see that we have the course title printed and the revenue generated for that course. Alright guys, that's it for this problem. If you guys found this helpful, make sure to subscribe, and until next time.